Here is how you can clear cache on an Android phone. Let me talk about it and explain to you how you can approach this. If you are first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So every app on your Android phone which you use for longer periods of time is actually going to accumulate some data like the cached files, right? And that's why you need to go to your settings app and find the apps section, literally the list of apps right here, and you will have the ability to scroll through all of your installed apps, right? So let's say I'm going to go in here and find the one which I actually used a lot, for example, a web browser or a social media app, and I can get inside in here, scroll through the menus and tap on storage. And you can see how much of the storage that is taken up by the app is just the app itself. Then we have the data as well as cached files. The more you use an app, the more cached files get stored, right? So you have the button at the bottom so you can clear it like that, and you can as well clear the data. Cached data is basically something you can clear right away. It's just some temporary files, but the data is a bit more interesting. That might be something which you actually care about. Depends on the app, but you need to be a bit more careful with deleting the data, but clearing cache shouldn't really be an issue. And that's how you can basically go through all of the apps. You open up another app in here, get inside, and clear the cache for another one, right? So that kind of depends on your usage patterns and the apps that you use the most, but at least for the biggest apps, then, or the most commonly used ones, you can get inside in here and just disable or clear the cache for those. So I hope that you are able to find it on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you later in the future uploads. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you then.